Are you ready to tackle those tough stains? Let's get started with your truly free laundry stain remover spray. First, fill the bottle with warm water up to the fill line. Next, add the contents of the refill pouch. Top it off with water and tightly secure the sprayer. Now, give it a good shake to mix everything together. When you spot a stain, don't panic. Simply spray the solution generously onto the affected area. Make sure to saturate it completely. Here's the key: let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the powerful enzymes time to break down those stubborn stains. Once the time's up, toss your garment into the washing machine. Add your truly free laundry detergent and softening rinse for best results. Start your wash cycle and prepare to be amazed. When it's done, you'll find those pesky stains have vanished. With truly free laundry stain remover, you're not just cleaning clothes, you're freeing yourself from the hassle of stubborn stains. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.